Good evening to everyone. Uh, as you are all aware that the country is now fighting this new variant of COVID-19, which is being called the Omicron variant. So throughout the country, the number of cases of COVID are on the rise. The same trend is visible in our district, Karaikal district. Over the course of past 5 to 10 days, we are seeing a rise in the number of cases. Approximately our positivity rate is in the range of 6 to 8, sometimes 9% also. So our positivity rates are also rising. Most of the people who are testing positive, they are reporting mild symptoms. Some people are also asymptomatic. But there are of course some patients who have been admitted in the general hospital. They have developed some serious symptoms also. All these things call for a lot of caution, a lot of restrictions, and a change in behavior from our part collectively. As you are all aware that in Karaikal district, we over the course of past 1 year, we have started a very intensive vaccination campaign. Close to 95 to 97% of the people have received the first dose, and 60 to 70% of the people have also received the second dose also. As announced by the Government of India, we have also started the dose for children, teenagers in the age group of 15 to 18. That vaccination campaign is going on separately at 13 different vaccination centers across the district. From 10th of January, we will also be starting the additional COVID jab for our healthcare workers, for frontline workers including police, revenue, sanitation workers, and also for the senior citizens with comorbidities. First request to all the people is to please come forward for vaccination. Get all the family members vaccinated on time. District administration has taken a lot of steps to ensure that the residents and citizens of Karaikal get proper care. Oxygen facilities in GH are much more better as compared to the first wave of COVID. Approximately 150 beds are available with ensured oxygen supply. We have also checked different essentials like drugs, beds. They are available in adequate number in the district hospital. Adequate infrastructure is also available in our PHCs for testing, for taking the samples. All those things are available. Staff position is now much better as compared to the first wave of COVID. We are adequately staffed. Therefore, district administration has taken all the requisite measures so that we as a district can combinedly fight this new Omicron variant which is coming. Having done all these steps, there are certain things which cannot be compromised, and those things are those which we have been stressing from the very first day. That is social distancing and masking. I have seen that the levels of social distancing and masking in Karaikal district are much better as compared to adjoining areas, but still we need to do better. There are places where a lot of people come together, social distancing norms are compromised. These are the cases which lead to spread of COVID in the district. Recently, we have seen that in our College of Agriculture, there was a spurt of COVID cases. So, it is always better to take adequate precautions well in advance so that these type of situations can be avoided. Therefore, social distancing, masking, and if needed, double masking in public places should be done. Government of Pondicherry has already announced some restrictions, 50% occupancy in all the places where